these are the sewing machines they got. Alright, let's go here. These are the burlaps. They have the rolled ones already. There at the bottom. And these are the Adhesives. See that? That's so pretty. And those are the prices. Alright, let's go like these. There you go. And these are the different types of ribbons. They're still there at the bottom. Ooh. What is it? Do not inventory. Alright, I'm not gonna. And there's more. Those are the ribbons. I think there are fabric ribbons. Yes, they are fabrics. This is a burlap ribbon. These are fabrics. And same thing with these ones here. And yeah, these are all fabric. Alright, let's go here at the next section. And these are the button sections. They got pretty ones, a wooden one I think, but they're really not a wood one. They are plastics. See, there's a bunch here. And that's how much it cost. Alright, these are coconut shells. They made a buttons out of coconut shells. And this here is a shell. If you can see, it said organic elements. It's because, oh, they just coated it, but this is actually a coconut shell as well. Same thing with these ones. Somebody took the other one here. See that? There are people that's taking stuffs. They don't want to pay it, so they just have to take it like that. So, oh, brooches, my favorite ones. Yup, they got brooches here. I got one like these, but I think I've sent it to my sister in Japan. So, and here's for the babies. Ta-da! Okay. And velcros from there to the bottom. And these are also sewing stuffs. Adhesive, fabric adhesives here. So, and here are the dyes. If you would like to dye your fabrics, there's the dye here. That's my favorite color, dark green. And husband always make me my really favorite color is what do you call that, military color, you know, the color OD green. That's my favorite actually. And these are ready to, there's a pouch, see that, that's for a dog. So there's more here. There's more stuffs here we can use in our projects. And here they have puncher, and it costs that much. It's a little more bigger, that's why. And this one here has a like that. I don't know what it called though. The pins are here too. So those are the sewing machines stuffs like out. And of course the sewing kits, there you go, those are the ones there. And here's more. I have one like this. I bought it years ago. It's like 9 years ago. Look, they got little iron, steam fast iron actually. And there are the what's this here? It's a magnifying glass for the sewers, and there's a little one here, and this one has a little light including there. And here we go, and there's more. Oh, they got this loom. Oh, people just that's how they. And here are the measuring tools for sewers, and I have one. I guess I got one like this. I got this here and this one here. I also have this kind, but I barely use them. I also have a, oops, sorry, I almost dropped my phone. I also have whisker like these. That's for trimming a fabric. I keep. Alright, so I bumped my phone and I turned it off, so I just turned it back on. Anyway, there's are the scissors. My favorite scissors are here. I got one like these years ago. Hubby bought me one, and of course you always saw me using this type of clipper that I use for my orchids. And there's more. I have one like this. I've used it for everything. It's just so nice to use. I like this much. I have one. Hubby also got one of that. I wanted to get one more, but I don't like that. Anyway, let's move to the next aisle. Oh, there's more here. There's 4 making stuff. I have some of these leftovers. I've used some of these for making a shawl and a little bling bling for my granddaughter. Yes, I got granddaughter. It's actually husband's granddaughter, but of course it's mine too. Here are the fabrics. They got fabrics and everything here. Yeah, I used to buy a lot of fabrics, but I stopped sewing, so I just didn't get any more. But these are the place where they got fabrics. And here's more. There's more fabrics here and at that aisle as well. So yeah, I'm going to tour you for a moment. So these are the fabrics they got. Let's make it a little more smaller. Oh, my phone is acting weird. So anyway, those are the fabrics, and anything fabric you want they got. So and here are the threads. Anyway, and there are the so zippers and everything. Oh, what's this? There's a satin blanket bindings right there, and here are more. There's more there. So let's move on. There's our filler for your project. Oh, they got cotton. Oh, this is 100% cotton here. Nice. But if you're going to make a toys, you need stuffers. There are the stuffers for toys, making like teddy bears, doll, those. And here, oh, they moved it here. I don't know why, but look at those pots. They're so pretty. But those are fake plants though. But look at this pot. Crazy plant lady. Maybe I'm gonna get that just for the sake of getting this pot, but oh no, I'm not gonna. Look how much. No, I'm not gonna get that for that price. Maybe if they lower the price I will, but oh no, no, no. Same thing here. It's just so crazy expensive. I'm not gonna get that. I will skip that. Oh, there's more fabric here. So yes. Oh, look what they got. Oh, it's so pretty. That is so cool. It's a basket. See, it's a pretty basket. It's out of yarn. No, cord. It's a cord. They saw it. And here's for these. Cross stitching. So those are the embroidery flaws they got. There's a bunch of them here. Alright. And here are pre-made frame. It's pineapple string orchid arrow. There's different ones. Alright, that's so neat. Anyway, and here's are the patterns, and it already has the fabric in there. See this one here? They've already has that kit in there. So, oh, this is a dream catcher, I guess. And this for embroidery here. They already have those materials in there. So it's so neat here, you know. Sometimes, oh, there's another one here. You can create here a macrame. See, that's what they got. Wow, honey, it's so neat here. Maybe I should get one next time, but not right now. I have plenty projects to make. So anyway, ooh. Look at the scissors, a little bitty ones. I might get one. What do you think? Do I need to get one? I have plenty scissors already, but more scissors, not bad. I'm joking. I think I'm not gonna get. I don't like the colors. That's not my color. I have little bitty scissors like these. But look at this one. Oh, so cute. But the price is also cute, so I'm not gonna get it. Because I'm not sure if it will last me longer than I thought. And it's alright. So that's all from this section. There's more plastic plants at the top of the shelves. Yeah, I really like the pots, but it's just too much, too expensive. So I'm just gonna skip this. Alright. Alrighty, so let's wrap up this video again, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.